job. We just got here. We'll be doing boundary job on the left side of this property. We just set up a laser level over here. That's actually the first time at the job site, so that makes our job way easy. So this one is 30 meters. We'll start from the back of that garage and all the way to the back here. That's the job for now on this unit. All materials is right here. Yep. So let's get to it. Here we go, guys. We had 246 post in, but I slowed down because the ground is pretty hard. That last two, they're pretty hard, like solid clay. And I've got 1, 2, 3 more to go today, and I'll do the front tomorrow now. It's just because I'm running out of time. But yeah, I'm trying to finish this today before tomorrow, so then I can put all my slippers in, put the panels up, and that way all this area will be covered and make it a bit safer. Yep. Let's keep going. And we are finally finished, guys. All the post is in, and we clean up all that mess after, before I go. One post going there, well, that's easy tomorrow. Look at this. This is way better to have. It makes my job really fast, because all I have to do is get my boundary line, and then this will do my levels, and this all straight. I'm glad that I bought it. Look at that, man. level. Nice and level. Now all I have to do tomorrow is put this end post and end post over here, dig the height, drop my plinths in, put the shades up. That won't take me long, and I'll do a little job tomorrow. Hopefully I'll finish here early tomorrow, and I've got another job just to put a couple posts in the front. But that's it for today. Yeah, ground is really hard. Those 1, 2, 3 last 4 holes was a fight. And look at these materials I've got here. That's a lot. So I have to carry all these by myself tomorrow. That'd be fun. Woo, heavy. So most of it are on. One missing on the end because I have to put the post on the wall first, and one missing on this end, and I put the post over there, and it's got a bit of a gap, but that doesn't matter because this area, the new house will be built here and it's gonna be the same level, so they still have to fill this one up. And that side, when he landscaped that one, he's gonna put more soil or rubble there anyway, so both sides will be nice and level. So if we can see on this end, the ground is way higher. I had to dig it out quite a bit right there, so I'm gonna grab some of this dirt later on and just do a little fill up while they're waiting for this side of the property to be built, or house to be built. And yeah, no one can see through there, but that's it. I'm gonna put that one on, and that end on. And guess what I forget? I forgot my quick cut to cut this one, so I just have to put this all up over here and that wall, and then come back. Let's do that. We started paving here because we will be doing full landscape on here as well in this unit. This is the gate. It's a little dusty because we have cut the pavers yesterday, but we'll just give it a clean afterwards and it'll be new again. On here as well, we did the fence here. This is the right boundary now of this pin. That's the right boundary, and that's the existing boundary, existing fence that is not on the boundary. So that's why it looks like that. And we just had enough space to install it next to it. Enough for our holes anyway. This is the new one right here. So after here, when we finish, the owner next door, they will rip that fence themselves, this one. So there's no problem there. And we pour enough sleepers here, so then his dirt won't go on his side. Big job. We still have to do PVC. And now we're at the front. We're also installing sliding gate here, electric. We did the fence. And here, but here, they will do concrete. That's why our sliding gate is not installed yet. So we're waiting for that concrete to be poured, and then so we can finish this sliding gate. So this is the back. So that's the one we just did, and I didn't video this one, but that's also finished. And we just had enough time to deliver our papers at the back, because this land is about to start their building. So that's that one. Yeah, let's see. Alright, thank you for watching. We will see you again to the next one. Bye bye.